What was that? Is that a gay bar?
I don't really know. Let's just go home.
Hey, how about that food date today?
Yes. Yeah, yes. Food date. Yes. Let me get changed. See you at home, Jake.
Is Jake gay?
No way. He's my best friend. I would know.
I don't know. I'm a good guesser. The other girls at the dojo think so too.
We did go to a bar that was a bit gay last night. I had a good time tonight. Want to come over and watch a movie?
Yeah, for sure.